To change out an entire HVAC system costs over $10,000 in 2026. Prices too low, you gotta cut corners to get there. If we are giving a bid, we're typically seeing prices starting at $10,000 to $11,000 to change out a whole system. And some of my most trusted colleagues in the industry can't get their prices even below $15,000 to $17,000. So that's typically what it costs to change out an entire system in 2026. Duct systems are separate from the equipment, and a duct system change out from us is about $4,300 in 2026. So whether you're adding this onto your existing quote or change out of equipment, or you're doing just your duct system, $4,300 to install a brand new Class 1 flex duct system with R8 insulation is about what you should expect this year. Most contractors don't like sharing their prices. I don't mind giving you a basic framework, but just know that it's not an exact quote until we get all the measurements and everything in hand. Now, prices can go up or down, but prices too far below ours, I tend to be worried about quality and maybe cutting corners. And prices too high, I worry that there's a little bit of price gouging and you may not need to be spending all the extra money. So if you have any questions, let us know. You don't have to use our services for us to give you free information. Feel free to hit us up, ask us any questions you might have.